Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to replace a fuser assembly heating element. But before we start, I would like to inform you that this fuser assembly has a part number of RM2-5425-000CN, and it is for the printer with the model HP LaserJet Pro M402. This is a new heating element with part number RM2-5425-HE. So let's get started. First, remove the metal spring. Next, release the wire harnesses from the guides. Disconnect this door extended link. Remove the fuser cover screws. Remove the top cover. Now, our heating element is under the sleeve, so we first need to remove the sleeve, so that we can get the heating element. Removing the sleeve. Remove the heater metal lock. Now, remove the heating element. Clean the groove where the heating element is placed. In comparing the old and new elements, the old have corrosion of the terminals, thus making fuser error codes. Install the heating element and the lock. Connect the heat terminal. Install the fuser sleeve. Before we finish closing everything, we first test the heat terminal connection if there is a connection to the element using an ohmmeter. The resistance must be approximately 50 to 65 ohms for good elements. Our resistance reading is 64.4 ohms, which means our connection to the terminal is good, otherwise, there is a problem with the connector. Install the end cap. Next, assemble and install everything. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mabuhay. Peace.